Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to add different videos here and there. So I'm doing a mukbang quarantine edition. I didn't get to eat my lunch. I have my meal prep. I am so hungry, you guys. Ooh, it's steamy. Ooh, can you see that? I have yellow rice, chicken, and sweet potato. You know me. You know that I love sweet potato. This is what I'm eating today. I also have a salad. I don't know if I'm gonna eat the whole thing, but I love salad. I haven't had a salad like that from Olive Garden in a long time. I was told to take it with me, so I was like, okay. You guys, I just got off work super early. I know. So good. I just can't. I wanted to eat my food because like I'm about to work out. If you're Latina, whatever race you are, like what do you eat normal? Like do you guys cook the same thing over and over again? Like honestly, growing up, all I can remember is rice and beans. A lot of people ask me like, do you get tired of eating rice? And I'm like, no. Like, do you get tired of eating regular food? I'm like, no. I don't know, I just grew up with it, you know what I mean? I'm not the cutest eater, so sorry about that. You guys, I'm in the passenger seat and I feel like somebody's gonna drive me, but nobody is, you know what I mean? So good. I love rice. It's so bomb. And I take my lunch every day for work, except for some days that I would say like one day out of the week sometimes I don't, but for the most part, all I eat is meal prep when I'm at work. Sweet potatoes, so bomb. Let's dig in to this salad, right? See, this is what it looks like. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? That's what it looks like, so we're just gonna drizzle all of this in there. I don't even know how many calories this is, so don't come for me, okay? I haven't had a salad like this in so long. I used to eat salads all the time. How good this is. Don't let me down, Olive Garden. So good. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like I'm eating here. Oh my gosh, gross. So today, I'm going to do some agility work. I'm actually sore as fuck. I shouldn't be doing anything. But I went hiking yesterday. I literally almost died. I almost did not make it to the top. I was so happy that my friend did because, oh my god, so proud. I'm sore. Like I'm sore in places that I wouldn't even imagine I was supposed to be sore. Like my ribs are sore. I explained it to my friend, was like the Stairmaster times 50, okay? So your legs are about to be on fire. Yeah. So good. I just Guys, I went to Target like a couple times yesterday and on Friday, and I totally forgot that I needed body wash. So I need to stop today for sure. Also, I might do a beauty video. Well, I need to do one just because a lot of you guys are suggesting beauty videos, and I get it. I got rid of so much stuff. One moment. I'm actually working out with some people today, which is great. But they're on their way there. Somebody's next to me. Thank God my windows are tinted. I feel like I'm being rushed now. I try to encourage people to work out, but sometimes most people want their work done for them. And that's not how it works. Who likes these? I do not care for them. Like I'm very picky when it comes to my salads. Like I love Southwest. Salads are my absolute favorite. This is somewhat good. I think I put too much dressing in there. Oh my god, I can't breathe. And I'm over here like my mocos are falling now. You guys, my hair, like my camera is doing so good because my hair is so dry right now. I don't understand why it looks so nice on camera. It's like so dry, frizzy. Don't know what the fuck is going on because like I got this expensive ass shampoo and conditioner. Like it makes my hair look hella nice right away, but like after I put it in my product, it's probably the products that I'm using, honestly. I think that's what it is. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. I'm probably gonna eat the croutons, but I'm hella full right now. And I'm about to work out. Oh my god, I'm that person that like, yeah, I'm on my way. I'm still sitting here. I could be that person sometimes. It's good, but I cannot eat this whole thing. I cannot. Oh my god. I have to burp. I'm eating too damn fast. I cannot eat this whole thing. Oh, only ate a little bit. Hence to why I'm always so hungry. Never finished my food. I'm going to buy some makeup today. I didn't want to at first, but like, giving you guys what you want, okay? You guys want beauty videos again? Okay, just know that I haven't worn makeup in months. Last time I wore makeup, I think it was my birthday. You guys, it's been a while. Water all the time. That's all I drink. It's not water. Powerade or Gatorade. They're like, we'll be there in 15 minutes. I haven't even left the parking lot. Oh my god, that was so good. Food is everything to me. That was pretty much it. That's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I had another mukbang, but like I said, it got deleted. Somebody was trying to hack into my shit and they deleted some of my videos. So this is another one. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.